Going, you got crypto together here, just coming in. Oh, I'm making a little video showing what the market's doing. This here, we got Bitcoin on the daily chart right here. As everybody knows, we had that bear market through the 22 year, 21, 22 after it hit 70. Dropped down to 15 and some change. Shot back up to 31 and some change. So, we zoom in. All right, here, this is the new year. Basically, starting January 1st, things just boom, took off. We had a great 6, 7 months. Um, Come in here. This here was showing signs of being a bull flag. We had that ETF announcement. Shot the price way up. Everybody thought it was off to the races. Not so fast. Had the bearishly engulfing candle. At that point, I knew we was heading lower. Anytime you have a candle like this where you have a big green one with a tail on top, call it a tailing top, followed by a bearishly engulfing candle right here. If you see, it came down, it closed lower than it opened the day before on the giant green day. Can zoom in on this a little bit better. Here we go. This was looking like a bull flag after it came up, consolidation. You generally expect to see this jump to the upside. But it didn't happen, especially this, like I said, right here was the big clue. Bearishly engulfing candle continued to break down. We bounced off this support right here beautifully, broke through, and now it's become resistance. See, it done hit it beautifully again. Boom. Came up to try it again, and here we are coming on down. And I honestly think, let me scoop the screen up a little bit better. Come on. There we go. I think you can see this is going to come down. Hopefully in this 27.5 to 28 range. We have this trend line coming up. As you can see here, scoot it in. This is the one that started back the new year. Boom, boom, hit, beautiful hit. Hit here. Is it going to bounce off and go back up? Could we be maybe forming an ascending triangle here at the end of this wedge? Or are we just going to see it fall through? If it falls through, I'm definitely expecting to see right here at this 20,000, I'm saying 19.5, but anywhere from the 19 to 21,000, I'm expecting this to fall through. That's what I think we're going to see coming. With a lot of these years, you see coming into the halving, Bitcoin takes off the first half, get a major correction, crash, whatever you want to call it, the second half of the year, and then it tends to, then you get to take off. I'm right now holding fast, seeing what it's going to do before I invest any more of my hard-earned money. So mostly I'm just holding. I'm looking for spots I want a dollar cost average in. Bitcoin gets below 20, I'm going to buy in some more. I bought a little bit in last time. I'll buy in some more again if it goes a little below 20. Let's see. Let's look at, we got Ethereum. What we got going on in Ethereum? Again, right here, you see this. We got a trend line coming up. Wicked it, hit it. Let's see. Yep, goes even farther back. So, boom, hitting up. I'm expecting to see this come on down to at least the 1760, 1770 area. So we're looking for at least another 100 points, $100 down on Ethereum. And again, if it breaks this, I'm looking to buy in some more Ethereum when it comes down to 1100. And I'm going to start dollar cost averaging again in on that. XRP, I think XRP a good chance to buy in any time now, especially since the law case. I think there's a possibility we're going to see the challenge the ruling, the SEC challenge the ruling, which may cause another crash in it. But there is a a crypto bill that should be coming to the House floor soon. It just got approved through the Agriculture and the Finance committees, so it should be heading to the House floor. That uh, that could be a major win for crypto. It gives clear, concise legal insight and rules on how not to be a security, how to be a commodity, how to go from a security to a commodity, being sufficiently decentralized. Um, Covers a whole lot of stuff that would be, you know, all the rules in it perfect? No. Is it great? Could be better. Could be a hell of a lot worse, but at least if we have the rules, we know what game we're playing and we can get it done. So that's another big news coming along. So the Jay Powell meeting earlier this week was kind of woohoo. Um, he got a lot of positives, a lot of suggestions, undertones that he might be crashing the market. No one really knows what's going on, commit what's going to happen now after having all the concise plans, telling everybody what was going on. He's kind of like in a, we're going to kind of chill back and see. Expect more hikes. Don't expect to drop. You know, uh, I personally think he's done a hell of a job. You know, he had a tough situation coming out of COVID. I mean, he did better than everybody else. If you look at the whole world's economy, what's going on in every other country, we're doing way better than everybody else. So, you know, things ain't perfect. We're coming out of, you know, some rough times, the COVID era, you know. So, so this is what we got going on here. I don't know if that blackened showed up on the screen. Um, but, yeah, we got that going on. Now, I want to check out, if I can, um, where is it? Where is it? Let me get a, let's show some XRP. Oh, here it is. My eyes are going crazy this morning. Let's take a look at Solana. This is Solana USDT daily chart. This is one I am super interested in. I'm really looking into dollar cost averaging into Solana. I know it's had its problems over the past. Right now, it just kind of bounced off the 25-1. I'm really, I'm thinking really 24/7. It's kind of higher than I want. I want 22.5 is when I want to start dollar cost averaging in. I think Solana could come back down. I would really love to see Solana come back down to the $14 or less mark. I haven't done a lot of charting on this, so we can chart live as you see. So, first thing I'm going to do is, you see this trend line right here. And sometimes it just jumps out to me, it don't jump out to others. But we got a high there, and a high there. That coincides right there with that. Wait, hold on. So that coincides, you get the two bounces off of it. So it stayed there, bow, bow, bow. Can I see ping, ping, shot through, but ping. Then over here it came up through, resistance, blew through, bounce off, and there it goes. Okay, now we got some horizontal supports that are sticking out to me. Now obviously right here, if you see that, you see boom, 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 right there. Another one that's really sticking out. You can see floating right across here. It boom, kind of boom. I bet if you zoom in, it hits. Shoot up, shot through, boom, 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 off. Can't break through, can't break through, can't break through. Down here, can't break through. It shot through just like Bitcoin shot through. Came down and back up. Let's see, we're going to zoom in on this. This is what it's doing as of late. I mean, Solana just had a hell of a run from 14 to 30, what, 32, 34? 32. Yeah. So, and it's coming down. This is gonna get a recorrection. If you put another line in here, you see this whole thing right in here. This is a range. Is it more support? We're gonna go right there, right in this area. This isn't exact, but it's gonna give you a little thing. So I see Solana coming down here, no problem, bouncing off the $21 mark, $21.07, but $21 area. If it breaks through here again, like I said, breaks through here, come down here, breaks through here, yeah, you're looking at $9, even lower possibly, because the altcoins are getting destroyed. Bitcoin comes down like it is. So that's another big thing I'm on the lookout for. Maybe my number one interest to get in on. Just didn't have capital, didn't want to sell anything, didn't have capital to really buy in on it last round. So I'm stacking my chips mostly for Solana, Ethereum. I might find a few altcoins I'm interested in down the road. There are a few, but I'm not really looking into buying into them right now. They'll be more, some of the cash I keep on the sideline. When it's time to buy in, I'll grab some. But I think my other ones, I'll share it at a later time. So yeah, just keep a lookout, see what Bitcoin's doing and Ethereum. My levels for me, 20,000 for Bitcoin. Start buying in. Ethereum 1100. Start buying Solana. I'm 2250. I'm gonna start buying in. Then I'll just every time buy some in. It goes down lower. Buy a little bit more. It goes down lower. Buy a little bit more. And just do what I can. Another reason why I've been absent, working extra overtime, besides the sideways boring action. But been good hollering at you. Hope you get some valuable information. Hit me some comments, some questions, and stay positive, stay profitable.